Do you want to earn up to 85% commission per sale? Hi, I'm Shubhamjeet, and in this video, I will share how you can create an account on impact.com and earn up to 85% commissions. My aim is to create videos in an easy to understand language so you understand them very easily. So let's jump in. Alright, I will first tell you what is impact.com. Okay. Impact.com was previously known as Impact Radius. So if I use the word Impact Radius, it will mean impact. Okay. The second thing about Impact is it was founded in 2008 by Jason Goldberg and Christopher Havens. Yep. And it is the leading platform for managing and optimizing partnerships across various channels such as affiliate marketing, influencer marketing, and partnerships with agencies and media companies. So even if you are a social media influencer, you can utilize the power of Impact Radius or Impact to promote your affiliate products. Okay. And the fifth thing about Impact is regarding affiliate marketing, it provides access to a diverse pool of affiliates. Okay, so it is not limited to a specific group of affiliate marketers. Secondly, affiliates have earned over $15 billion in transactions in 2022. In fact, Impact as a platform has earned $15 billion in 2022 in transactions. The third thing is one affiliate, they have not disclosed his or her name, has made $1 million in revenue in just 6 months using Impact. Fourthly, it provides commission rate up to 85 to 90%. Okay, I was researching a few products and I found 85% was the highest, but it also has some products which can give you up to 90% commissions. Okay, and lastly, it is completely free to register. If you want, you can go to Impact and create your account right away, and that's what I'll be showing you right now. To create your account on Impact or Impact Radius, go to this link, impact.com. In fact, I will share my screen and walk you through the steps. So the link is impact.com. So go to impact.com, and when you go to impact.com, you will see this interface. In fact, I will stop sharing my screen. I will stop sharing my video so you'll be able to see the entire screen. Okay. To sign up on Impact as an affiliate, hover over publishers and click affiliates. Once you click affiliates, you will see this page, impact.com/partners/affiliate-partners. Okay. Once you are on this page, you will see the brands that Impact has that you can promote as an affiliate. Okay. To sign up on Impact as an affiliate, click find brand partners and you will be sent to this screen. Okay. So since I'll be signing up, I'll click sign up with email. Now I will enter my first name, last name, my username, email address, the password that I'll use to access Impact, and my phone number. After I've entered my details, I will check both the check boxes and click get started. Okay, so enter your first name, last name, username, email address, password to access your Impact affiliate account, your phone number, check both the check boxes and click get started. Okay. After entering my details, Impact will send a verification code to your registered mobile number. Okay, so make sure you enter the correct mobile number. Okay, so the verification code that you receive, enter it inside this box and click verify. Okay, however, if you have not received the code, click on this link, resend code. Okay, and wait for some time. It usually takes about 10-15 seconds. Okay, I have received my verification code. I will enter it inside this box and click verify. So after entering the verification code that I received on my registered mobile number, I will select the type of business or the primary business model of myself. Okay. Since I create content, I have selected content/reviews. However, if you have a website that deals with coupons or provides deals, you can select this. If you provide loyalty or reward, select this. If you are a creator, individuals who market products and services to their own audience on social media platforms. If you are a social media expert or social media influencer, you can select this option and you can go through every option and select the one that is suitable to you. Okay. Since I create content and post reviews, I'll select the first option and click continue. Okay. Now they are asking which methods do you use to promote? Choose all that apply. I have a website. So my website is shubhamjeetkumar.com. So I'll copy the link of my website and paste it here. I'll enter the link here, and my website name is Shubhamjeet Kumar. So whatever your website name is and the website link is, enter it here. Okay, and make sure you enter the correct website, because this is where your transactions will be tracked. Okay, and my website is https. So I think I'll have to remove this. Yes. So select the protocol here. I have SSL enabled, so it is https, and then shubhamjeetkumar.com is my domain. Since I have only one website, I'll click submit. If you have another website or another asset, you can click add now and then add another website. Okay, or click add another and add another website. Okay, since I promote majorly on my website, I'll place the link only of my website. Okay, now I'll click submit. I have social media, but I don't promote it on my social media. I have a mobile app, but it is only for my closed community. I have a podcast, but I don't promote affiliate products in my podcast. I have email newsletter, but I'll not add it now. Done. My primary source of promotion is my website, so I've added it, and now I'll click continue. I have a company, but I'll register as an individual. Okay, because I know mostly my audience are individuals, so I'll click individual, and then I'll proceed with the following steps. Account display name will be my name, country India, mailing address. Now I'll enter my address, city, pin code. The time zone is +530. +530. I don't know why I'm making a mess of everything. And the currency is INR. Okay, so now I've selected myself as an individual. I've added my account display name Shubhamjeet, country is India, time zone is +530, and currency is INR. Now I'll enter my address, my city, and the zip code, and after that is done, I'll click submit. Okay, when you click submit, you will see this pop up. You selected INR as your preferred currency. Yes, it is fine. I'm an Indian, so I prefer INR. You can select US dollars as well. Okay, but I prefer INR, so I'll click OK. Superb. So we are here. After clicking submit and selecting your preferred currency, you'll come on this page. I think this is your dashboard. So I get the message, almost there. Let's build your profile to submit your application to the marketplace. So I'll click get started. Verifying your email is important because I think I have my email was verified automatically. Now I'll enter tax information. Indirect taxes are transactional based taxes that are required to be levied by service providers. I do not have GST, so I'll select I am not registered for indirect tax, and then I'll click save. Then you'll see this pop up. Are you sure you aren't registered for indirect tax? Yes, I'm sure. Once you click it, you come back to this page. So you have to click this checkbox here. If you see this checkbox, you have to click here, and this step is also done. And now I'll have to upload a PNG, JPEG or GIF file of your logo. Okay, so I'll choose a file. Okay, so I've created my logo, so I'll upload it. If you have not created your logo, please go to sites like Canva and create a sample logo. Okay, so I've added my logo. And description will be tell brands about yourself or your company as well as your content. Okay. And tags that describe your content and interests. Okay, I think many of the reviews or comments that I saw, people were having trouble with this content and interests. So here you have to add tags that describe your content and interests to improve recommendations. Okay, so I'm interested in technology. Sorry, comma separated. Technology, self-help, and I think I'll keep the list as is. Here, make sure you add tags separated by a comma that describe your content and interests. Okay, so on my website, I post content about all the things that I've listed here, and I'm interested in them. So I've listed them. So whatever you are interested in, whatever your interests are, add it and separate every other interest with a comma. Okay. Yep. So my business model is content and reviews. Okay, now I'll have dot personal information for influencers and individuals. If shared, this data will be used to match to your brands and campaigns. I don't want to enable it. Shipping address, no, since I'll not promote physical products, I'll not enable shipping address. Links, list any additional links with information to share with partners. I can add my Spotify list. Shubhamjeetkumar.com/Spotify is my podcast link. So I'll just paste it here. Shubhamjeetkumar.com/Spotify. HTTPS, yes. Marketplace contacts, yes, I'm the primary contact. Media kit PDF. If you have upload a PDF of your media kit, you can upload multiple. Media kit, I'm not sure what exactly impact means by media kit, but as far as I know design, I think media kit consists of your brand fonts, brand colors and logos. Okay, but I'm not sure what impact means by it. Okay. Pause profile. I don't want to pause profile. I've entered almost everything here, so I'll click save. Keywords must be alphanumeric. Which keywords? Okay, keywords must be alphanumeric, no special characters. So I think I'll have to remove this hyphen. Okay, let me try now. Please add a title to describe your additional links. Where? Okay, title is Spotify podcast. Done. So I've uploaded my logo. I've described about my company and what I do. I added tags or things that I'm interested in. I've added my business model. I've enabled additional link, which is my Spotify podcast. I don't have a media kit. By media kit, if they mean fonts or brands, I have it, but I'll not upload it because I'll have to verify what impact means by media kit. I don't want to pause my profile, so I'll click save. Perfect. So my media property has been created. This is my ID, name, website. So description is website, type is website. Verification status, I'll verify it. So to verify my media property, I'll hover over this property and click verify under last updated. So when I click verify, there are a few options that I see. I want to verify using email address, by editing content. I want to verify by pasting code on my website. I think I'll go with the third option. This is the meta tag. So I'll copy this meta tag. I've copied it. Now in the new tab, I'll go to my WordPress dashboard. So I'm in my WordPress dashboard. Now I'll add a plugin. It is called header footer code. Header footer code manager. So I will activate this plugin. Okay, I've installed and activated the plugin, or I'll just click installed plugins. Now under installed plugins, I'll go to header footer code manager. Now I'll click on settings. Since this is a code snippet, meta name, it is a code snippet. So I'll scroll down and add a new snippet. So the snippet name is impact code. It is HTML, site-wide, location. Copy the code below and paste it between head section. Okay, so it is header. Okay, header all devices status is active, and now I'll just place the code. Once I've pasted the code, I just have to click save, and that's it. You have pasted the snippet. Now go back to impact and click I have followed the above instructions to verify my website. Check this checkbox and click submit for verification. Perfect. So I got this message, the task has been completed. I've clicked verify, so it will take some time. I don't know how much time it takes to verify, but once it is verified, verification status here will change. Okay. I'll go to the next step, which is submit your marketplace application. So to submit your marketplace application, hover over this submit your marketplace application in the left hand panel and click that link or that section. Once you click submit your marketplace, this text will expand. You have to click on this text. Once you add your information, once you add your tax information, you have to select that checkbox, which will complete your tax information if you do not have a GST number. If you have a GST number, you simply have to enter your GST number and click save. Okay, so this is the message that I get from Impact. Hang tight, we are reviewing your application now. Thank you so much for taking the time to submit your application to join Impact as a partner. So once your application is reviewed, once it is approved, you will be able to see the brand names. In fact, I log out from this account and show you an account that I have already got approval of. So I'll enter my username and password. Okay, so once your account is approved, you will see an interface like this. To see your brands, hover over this brands and click find brands. Once you do it, you'll see a list of the brands that you can be an affiliate of. Okay, so for example, I'll type Namecheap. Okay, so this is Namecheap. Click on Namecheap, and to get your affiliate link, you simply have to click create link. And this is your affiliate link. You have to copy it, create content and promote it. Okay, so this is how you sign up on Impact. You create an account, and once your account is approved, once your application is reviewed and approved, you will come to a dashboard where you will be able to find products to promote. Okay, so that were the steps of signing up on your Impact account as an affiliate. Okay, now I have a question for you. Do you want to make additional income, and an income where you sell once and earn every month? If yes, I'd like to invite you to my upcoming live training where I will share 3 methods through which you can sell once and earn over and over. So the link to my upcoming webinar is shubhamjeetkumar.com/affiliate-income-secrets. So I've also placed the link in the description box. Click the link, enroll now, and I will see you live inside the webinar. So that's about this video. In this video, I walked you through the steps of creating an affiliate account on Impact or Impact Radius. So that's about this video. If this video provided you with value, please give it a thumbs up and share your feedback in the comments box below. And if you'd like to see content related to affiliate marketing, please subscribe to the channel and click the notification bell to receive updates as soon as I post new videos. So that's about it. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in the next one. Bye bye.